So Bitcoin is sitting at $68,000, 68,800. Just a second, it's 884. And the good news is that we went and we tested $69,000 one more time. We broke out, we went, we tested, and that's pretty much it. Now the thing is that we really need to spend good amount of time above $68,000 to declare that now $68,000 has turned into support. If you remember, on Saturday, I think we were below at 68. I told you that as long as 65 holds, which did happen twice when it dipped, both of the times $65,000 held on as a support. The first time when we had this aggressive crash, it went to 65,260, and the next time when we dropped, it went to 65,604. As long as it is holding $65,000, I would expect it to go towards resistance of 68, break it, and then we can start talking about other stuff. So $65,000 is acting as a support. It is holding on, and that gives us a hope. And overall, if you look at it, we are seeing a double bottom structure as well. That is also an indication. Of course, we were somewhere here yesterday. I was taking a class with one of my students, and we looked at it, and I said that this structure is in the making, and this structure did complete, and it did give a bit of small breakout. Now the breakout can be more, but the thing is that we are right now waiting for it to go up. The thing that we are waiting is to break 70. The moment it breaks 70, then the next thing that will happen would be the would be the 72K, and then it's not going to stop. It's going to be one aggressive move up, because there will be massive amount of liquidation. So we will see a very crazy rally, and I think that will take us to 74, 76, 78. It will just go bananas from there. And the reason it is going up there and failing is just because of the fact a lot of people are opening shorts. And the way the market works is that the market makers are collecting shorters. What it does is that it gives shorters hope that they are so smart. Whenever it goes to $69,000 area, they open shorts because they are thinking that it is going to go down. And I know a very big influencer. He is preaching downward movement for quite a while. Now, no one is a god. No one knows that what will be the overall case scenario. Of course, what we all do is we play the game of probabilities. So based on my probability and the overall statistical data, if you look at the historical information, in the previous 12 years, if I'm not wrong, at least only 2 times October has been red. The rest of the times it has always been green. What does it mean is that it closes green. So your opening should be lower than the closing price. So the opening price of Bitcoin was 63,600. Now the closing needs to be above that, which means that we should close at least at 65 and above. Of course, the higher the percentage, the greener it is to be considered. So if I'm right, then right now what is happening is that a lot of shorters are getting caught. So the liquidation is going to be more massive than we think of. So it's going to be more beautiful and more rewarding for the market makers. Market makers are exchanges, if you don't know who they are. What they do is that sometimes they participate in manipulation. So a lot of people are collecting on shorts, a lot of exchanges, and people are continuously seeing it is going to 69 and failing, it is going to 69 and failing, it is going to 69 and failing. Why? Because there are a lot of shorts getting opened. Now, when this thing goes up to 72K, everyone who has shorted 69K will get liquidated. The 70K people, 71 and 72, because those who are opening short at 69, they are not going to put their stop loss on 74. They will be placing it on 70, 71, and that's pretty much it. That's the amount of loss they're willing to take. And I think sometimes what market does is that, even yesterday I had a dinner with a friend, market keeps on collecting these shorts. They think that they are not enough. So whenever it is going towards a very important area, it goes there, it goes down, fails, and then people think they are winning, and then it comes back. That is something I think we saw last year with $32,000. When it went to $32,000 so many times, if I'm not mistaken, it went there at least, I don't know, 12 times, and it was over a period of 2-3 months. It was dramatic. It was awful. It would keep on going into that area, would give hope, and it wouldn't break. But the moment it broke, it never looked back. It never went back to 32 to see how things are, and it just flew through it. So that's the larger perspective for Bitcoin. And I don't see any bearishness. I'll get bearish 165 is gone, and we will be talking about the one area that was left untested, that is 61,600. But let's hope it doesn't get to that. Let's stay hopeful that we go up and break it. It just went to 69. Let's hope it goes, and this time now it's going to break out and the rally starts. November is here. We need a rally.